In a quaint village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a boy named Lucas. He was known far and wide for his mischievous pranks and his penchant for weaving elaborate lies. Lucas took great joy in fooling others, especially his family and friends. One day, as Lucas and his father walked through the lush woods surrounding their village, Lucas saw an opportunity for one of his infamous pranks. He nudged his father and whispered, "Do you see that? A wolf is following us." His father chuckled, not wanting to encourage Lucas's behavior. "Lucas, you are quite the storyteller, but there are no wolves around here." Undeterred, Lucas persisted, pointing to the rustling bushes and insisting he saw a shadowy figure lurking behind the trees. His father, though amused, grew weary of Lucas's antics. "Enough, Lucas," his father said sternly. "It's not right to deceive others for your own amusement." Lucas nodded, promising to stop. But as soon as his father turned away, Lucas couldn't resist. He shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! It's coming for us!" His father sighed, shaking his head. "Lucas, one day your lies will catch up with you." Weeks passed, and Lucas continued his pranks, each one more elaborate than the last. But one fateful day, as Lucas wandered deep into the woods, he encountered a real wolf. Its eyes gleamed with hunger, and its growls sent shivers down Lucas's spine. Terrified, Lucas raced back to the village, screaming for help. "Wolf! Wolf! Please, someone help me!" But this time, no one believed him. The villagers had grown tired of Lucas's lies and tricks. They dismissed his cries for help as just another one of his pranks. Alone and scared, Lucas tried to outrun the wolf, but it was relentless. With a swift leap, the wolf caught up to Lucas, and he was never seen again. As the villagers searched for him, Lucas's father realized the harsh truth. His son had paid the ultimate price for his deception. Moral of the story: deception may lead to disbelief, even when the truth is spoken. Like, share, and subscribe my channel Dev Buddha for more motivation stories.